This video will cover all the unique features you need to know about our Domett 5-axle transporter full trailer, fitted with electric operated ramps. The trailer deck length is 11.45 metres and the overall length is 13.75 metres. The hydraulic reservoir, battery and electrics are located in the front passenger side stainless control box. There is a waterproof voltage relay switch for power supply. This must be engaged to operate the rear ramps. Before operating the ramps, lower both rear support legs located on both sides of the rear beaver tail. Once deployed, engage the suspension dump switch to lower the rear air suspension. This will improve stability and the loading angle for machinery with a low ground clearance. This will also help avoid rapid expansion of the airbags when unloading. Ensure you return the suspension dump switch to normal ride height to travel down the road. Remove the twitch and chain or load binders that secure each ramp. Place the unattached end on the ground. When working around the rear of the trailer, a safe working practice is to always remain a minimum 3-metre distance away from the rear ramps when elevated. Always check your surroundings before lowering them to the ground. To lower and raise the rear ramps, use the passenger's side up-down pendant. For ultimate safety, these can only be powered down and powered up. Do not use machinery to complete this task because this can leave an empty cavity in the cylinder, and when the ramps are lowered at a later date, they have the potential to free fall to the ground. The front and rear over-width panels have multiple positions to match the width of the load. These are located either side on the centre chassis. There are outriggers that can be installed along the edges of the deck for extra width. Insert them into the coaming rail at a 45-degree angle. These are located in the chassis toolbox. A headboard to help with front machinery positioning is removable, providing a load-through option. It is equipped with an interchangeable tow eye. The replacement of this tow eye must only be completed by an approved supplier. Call 0800 80 80 69 to action. There are multiple side load anchor points, both keyhole and chain plates, rated from 6 to 8 tonnes, and an underbody rope rail rated at 2.5 tonnes. Check the load anchor cert plate on the chassis for all individual ratings. A night light is built into the rear LED tail light with a switch located behind the rear axle on the driver's side. There is a rear chassis storage box ideal to stow blocks, chains and twitches. For maintenance and breakdown support, please call our maintenance team on 0800 80 80 69.